Hello everyone. Today, let's understand the stock market news about mixed indexes, the pause in tensions between the US and Iran, a pharmaceutical company testing a new drug entry, and the drop in oil prices. We will break this down simply. Why does this matter? The stock market is like a giant scoreboard for the economy. When global events happen, like news about war or peace, the scoreboard changes. This matters because the prices of things you buy, like gas or medicine, are often tied to these big market shifts. What does mixed indexes mean? An index is a list of many companies grouped together to track how the market is doing. Think of it like a grocery store basket. If you have a basket of apples, oranges, and bananas, and the apples go up in price but the bananas go down, your basket is mixed. Some parts are doing well, while others are struggling. Right now, the market is reacting to the news that tensions between the US and Iran have paused. When countries are at peace, businesses feel more secure to grow. This is why some stocks are doing well. However, because the situation is still delicate, other investors are being very careful. This creates the mixed movement we see today. Let's talk about the pharmaceutical company. A pharmaceutical company is just a business that makes medicine. They are testing a new product entry, which means they are trying to bring a new treatment to market. If the government approves it, they could make a lot of money. If it fails, they lose their investment. It is a high-risk, high-reward situation. Next, oil prices are skidding, which means they are dropping. Think of oil like the blood of the world economy. Everything from shipping your packages to making plastic toys depends on oil. When oil prices drop, it usually makes it cheaper for companies to run their businesses. This can eventually lead to lower prices at the gas pump for your car. How does this affect ordinary people? If oil stays cheap, your travel costs might go down. If the pharmaceutical company succeeds, people might get better medicine. But if the global tension rises again, everything could become more expensive very quickly. For investors, this news is a reminder to watch the news closely. Investors are people who put money into companies hoping to gain more later. When news changes fast, prices swing up and down. This is called volatility. It is like riding a roller coaster. You must be prepared for the bumps. One important point to remember is that markets react to news instantly, but real change takes time. Just because the news looks good today does not mean it will stay that way tomorrow. Never panic based on one day of market movement. Focus on your long-term goals instead of the daily noise. To summarize, we have a market that is unsure because of world events. Oil prices are dropping, which is generally helpful for our wallets. A drug company is trying to innovate. It is a busy day, but remember that the market always fluctuates. Staying calm is your best strategy. You for watching. Subscribe for more useful finance information. Thank you for watching.